आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
On the show tonight, Congress decides to go alone in the Maharashtra local elections. Dumps Uddhav Sena. Uddhav Thackeray is furious, says he will complain to Sonia and Rahul Gandhi. Allies BJP, Shiv Sena, NCP stepping up attacks on each other. It's free for all in Maharashtra. (8:30 p.m) mystery in Islamabad. Asim Mooni's promotion facing unexpected delays. What's going on? Shehbaz Sharif has quietly left for Bahrain. No signature yet. Big questions. What's happening in Pakistan?
And at 9, the SR controversy sparks a full-blown face-off in Parliament. Prime Minister Modi tells the opposition to stop focusing on drama as tempers rise over a Congress parliamentarian's dog remark.
Thank you for joining us on the debate. Ladies and gentlemen, Shravan and me are filling in for Arnab, who will be back on the show tomorrow night. But first up, on top of 8 p.m, something strange is happening in Maharashtra. It's not like we haven't seen this before, Shravan. Parties have broken up. New governments have been formed mid-term many times. But even if, assume Mahayuti were to break up, I don't know whether it will happen. They have the numbers. BJP has enough numbers and they have enough strength and clout to break the rest, or to maybe perhaps get a new ally. But the noise is being made. Shinde attacking Fadnavis, Fadnavis responding, Shiv Sena raiding the BJP, NCP upset with the BJP. What's really going on in Maharashtra?
Well, it's typical Maharashtra politics where on the one hand you would have Eknath Shinde essentially saying that this is all part of elections. In fact, Devendra Fadnavis just a short while back also indicated that all this thing happens during elections and we'll forget after the elections. In fact, the real test would be of the Mahayuti during the BMC. And what we are being told is that Mahayuti, till the time the BMC elections are there, this is all drama is what they say. But will things really change? There is undoubtedly discomfort within the allies. The allies aren't happy with what they're essentially calling BJP's arrogance. This is what Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar's party had to describe the BJP as in Maharashtra.
On the eve of Maharashtra local body polls, all is not well in the ruling alliance.
निवडणूक संघर्ष हा युतीमध्येच आहे. विरोधी पक्षात तर कुठेच काही दिसत नाही. आपल्याकडे थोडासा उभाटा दिसतो. तोही बाटलेला आहे. आणि बीजेपी तर पूर्णपणे बाटलेली. बीजेपीचं त्यांचं काहीच राहिलं नाही. इकडून फोड तिकडे फोड, इकडून फोड तिकडे फोडाफोडीमध्ये त्यांचं आयुष्य चाललं. आणि जुने बिचारे कार्यकर्ते घरी बसले.
That was Maharashtra Sports Minister and NCP leader of the Ajit Pawar faction slamming the BJP for their poaching tactics. This comes amid massive cross-coalition alliances cropping in Maharashtra ahead of the 242 municipal council and 46 Nagar Panchayat polls. In many seats, the Shinde Sena has gone rogue, allying with Uddhav Sena and even the Congress against the BJP. While Fadnavis has brushed aside concern, today his deputy and mastermind of the local body polls, Eknath Shinde, too attempted to downplay the rift.
आरोप प्रत्यारोप मी केले, मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी केले, बिलकुल केले नाही. आम्ही ही निवडणूक स्थानिक पातळीवरची आहे. स्थानिक विषयांना घेऊन करतोय. स्थानिक विषयांचा विषय जो त्या ठिकाणी आहे, स्थानिक समस्या आहे, स्थानिक प्रश्न आहे. ही स्थानिक प्रश्नावरची निवडणूक आहे. ही कार्यकर्त्यांची निवडणूक आहे. त्यामुळे इथं राजकीय भाषण करणं काही त्याची आवश्यकता नाही.
Shinde's statement comes just days after a bitter spat with Fadnavis over burning down of Lanka and being Lord Ram's followers. Interestingly, despite the rift reports, Shinde and Fadnavis were put up in the same hotel today in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, although the two did not meet each other.
मी अगोदर आलो होतो आणि मुख्यमंत्री महोदय नंतर आले आणि इथं एकत्र पैठणमध्ये सभा होत्या. आता त्याच्यामध्ये फोनवर आमची चर्चा होत असते. त्यामुळे निवडणूक चर्चा तर रोज चालू असते आमची.
Nitish Rane questioned Shinde for campaigning for Uddhav Sena candidate.
पैलवानांचा प्राण आहे.
सेनेच्या किंवा उभाटाच्या जिल्हा प्रमुखासाठी अगर शिंदे साहेबांची लोक अगर इथे येऊन प्रचार करत असतील आणि शिंदे साहेब तिथे कानडोळा करत असतील तर एवढ्या ज्येष्ठ नेत्याला मी कसं काय उत्तर द्यायचं. मुळामध्ये शिंदे साहेबांनी उठाव केला कशाला, पण आता अगर त्यांच्याच जिल्हा प्रमुखांसाठी येऊन त्यांचेच नेते मंडळी अगर प्रचार करत असतील तर मग मुळामध्ये उठावाला काय अर्थ होता का.
Across several districts, the BJP, Shinde Sena and Ajit Pawar NCP are contesting against each other on key seats, despite calling themselves alliance partners. The big question is, will this infighting cost the Mahayuti?
Joining us on the Maharashtra debate, Vishwas Patak, spokesperson of the BJP, Krishna Hegde, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, Pankaj Sharma, senior journalist, Kishore Tiwari, Uddhav Sena, Dr. Asha Mirge, NCP Sharad Pawar, spokesperson. Well, where do we start? Vishwas Patak, who is your ally? Who is your prospective ally? Are you really breaking up? What is going on? ये दिसंबर 2 तक ही है बोला था आपके बीजेपी चीफ ने महाराष्ट्र में, तो कल के बाद क्या होने वाला है थोड़ा बता दीजिए हमारे दर्शकों को.
So for last 3 years, we are working as a Mahayuti under the leadership of Eknath Shinde first and now Devendra Fadnavis. So we are a formidable alliance. This is a local body elections. In local body elections, which is happening after 7-8 years.
They're looting the government.
किशोर
Local
तिवारी 1 मिनट. किशोर तिवारी 1 मिनट. थोड़ा एटलीस्ट 30 सेकंड्स का ग्रेस टाइम थोड़ा देना चाहिए. 30 seconds.
Ask him to.
fraudulent
Let him
लोग
speak.
हैं.
किशोर तिवारी जी 1 मिनट.
For your information, Kishore Tiwari is not representing UBT also. He's thrown out from there.
He's thrown out.
So let me complete
ये
now.
कब हुआ?
Yes.
ये कब हुआ?
क्या करेंगे?
अरे ये देखा नहीं
Okay,
क्या?
let me complete.
ये
See,
देखो
these
तो सही.
elections are happening after 7-8 years. It's a local body
अरे
elections.
देखो तो सही.
Every
सुनिए,
कार्यकर्ता,
सुनिए.
every volunteer wants to try his luck, and they are
अरे
doing
you are
that.
not
So
a
it is more of a
speaker.
friendly fight.
अरे
There is no opposition
you
at
are
all.
Adani.
Therefore,
You are
this
a
friendly
Adani
fight is
man.
becoming a fierce
You
friendly
are a
fight.
Adani man.
But
This
Mr.
is becoming a
Vishwas
friendly fierce fight.
Vishwas Patak, you are a Adani man
Patak,
in
one Krishna
Maharashtra.
Hegde, just hold on.
And
Kishore
you are
Tiwari.
only-
Mr. Kishore Tiwari,
just
you
hold
have
on.
no more UBT.
Krishna
You are
Hegde,
thrown
some
out
say,
from that.
Mr.
You are
Hegde,
thrown out.
some say that this is a
And
fixed
this is
match.
representing as a UBT.
He's a Wadge.
1 minute, Kishore Tiwari, just hold on. Can I just quickly get in the Krishna Hegde? Krishna Hegde, it seems that all of this is fixed match. Effectively, some say within Maharashtra that the BJP, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar are essentially doing this because effectively whatever happens after these polls that take place on 2nd of December, the winner is Mahayuti only. Because effectively you are only contesting. In some places the Congress and UBT have even withdrawn their candidate. So why don't you admit it tonight that this is all a fixed match? This is all drama, that you don't have a problem here.
No,
This
he's
is
admitting. He's
the vote
admitting.
of around 12 crore people of Maharashtra, and therefore this is not a fixed match.
It is
However,
a
let
fixed
me
match.
tell you are
It is a fixed match.
100%
Let me
right.
tell you in how many places
You
it
are
is a fixed
100
match.
No, you are 100% right.
You are-
that
it is
we
a-
are
it
going
is a
to win
fixed
an
match because
absolute
in some
majority
places-
because the BJP, Shiv Sena and NCP, Ajit Dada Pawar, we are fighting together. Where we are not fighting together also, we are fighting independently. But whatever victories come for the Shiv Sena will be in the kitty of the Mahayuti, and therefore on the election date and the counting date, you will see that we will all celebrate, three parties will celebrate together. Now, Kishore Tiwari, instead of shouting here, should go and fix his own party because they are in a shambles. They are not finding candidates anywhere. They are not finding people to fight the election. They're losing this election
I should
terribly.
be allowed to
And Kishore
Their
Tiwari
candidates are
shouting here about
campaigning
the
for
election.
you.
I should
Mr.
be
Krishna
allowed
Hegde,
to
that's the
speak
beauty.
now.
That's the irony here. UBT's candidate is campaigning for you.
No, no,
Today
you-
everyone
Eknath
knows
Shinde is
that
campaigning for us.
UBT is an empty house.
Eknath Shinde is
UBT,
campaigning for us.
with whatever is left of the UBT, they are going to come to us because they know that for the progress
Krishna
of
Hegde, you
Maharashtra,
are
they have to
dreaming a
come with the
lot.
Mahayuti, whether it is the
You know,
BJP,
I
Krishna
should be
whether
Hegde
it
and
is the
Vishwas
Shiv Sena
Pathak.
or the NCP.
I should be allowed to
Pawar.
Hey,
reply.
Pehla, Ranjan,
Therefore,
it's a complete
they know
joke.
that
No, it's a complete
what they're
joke
doing
because
in
you know what I find
Maharashtra
it. You know
is
what
a
I find it very
complete
hypocritical here.
The
Almost all of you,
Maharashtra-
all of you, Krishna Hegde, Vishwas Pathak, all of you, with a straight face, you are coming on national television and you are saying that this is Mahayuti is going to stay together. But the reality is completely different. It is a fixed match because all that you are essentially trying to
not
do,
only stay
there is no
together, but
Mahayuti
we are
here.
going
Because
to
for
win
you,
comfortably.
right now, winning the
We are
election
going to win
by hook or crook, winning the election matters. It is not about ideology. So please do not, Vishwas.
New phenomenon.
It is not about the ideology. If it was about the ideology, then why don't you tell Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar to leave immediately because you have Eknath Shinde joining hands with the Congress. If at all ideology really mattered for you, Vishwas Pathak, then you should have actually you should have shown the door to Eknath
Of
Shinde.
the BJP.
Let me
He's a
speak now. Let me
spokesperson
speak.
of the coal
See, it is a
mafia,
very common
Gautam
phenomenon in
Adani.
local bodies.
He's the
Elections are
spokesperson of a
always fought
coal
like that.
mafia, Gautam
Elections are happening
Adani.
after 7-8 years.
He's
Every
not
volunteer has to
BJP
try his
spokesman
luck,
no more.
and they are doing that.
He's
It is
involved
more
in
of
the
a friendly
massive
fight.
corruption.
This is not
Okay, so you
Lok Sabha
admit
election.
it's a friendly
This
fight.
is not.
No, it's the first
This is
time. 1
not
minute,
friendly
sir.
election.
1 minute. ये आपना from the time you've joined the debate, Vishwas Pathak, I've heard the word friendly fights come out of your mouth and Krishna Hegde's mouth at least 10 times minimum. But let me tell you one thing. Krishna Hegde mentioned it a couple of times while saying it's not a friendly fight. But the words friendly fight, the phrase, but he has used it more. But you know what I'll tell you what. Imagine people are watching you. You have a Shiv Sena leader. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not joking. There was a video of a Shiv Sena leader, Nilesh Rane, raiding a BJP leader's house and claiming that cash was found on the bed. Can we show that video? Where cash was found on the bed in a Shiv Sena MLA's raid on the BJP. Now, you are telling me that in a friendly fight you expose each other publicly, right? We all know, by the way, there are corrupt people in your party, there are corrupt people in every party. We know that, right? Look at that video. That's the video of cash. 1 minute. That's a video of Nilesh Rane's raid on ally BJP. Okay? This is not friendly fight. This is complete. I don't know what to call it, but I just know that this is something more than a friendly fight, perhaps. I'll give Kishore Tiwari a chance to speak. Okay, before that, Asha Mirge. Kishore Tiwari, I think you'll have to wait a little bit. Asha Mirge ji, I'm getting you in. Right? Congress is dumped. I heard Congress is dumped your party and Uddhav's party. Is that true? They're going alone in the BMC polls?
Yeah, in BMC poll, their outlook is if Banase, Todo Fodo wala, and regional conflicts wala came with this Mahagadi, we are not going to be together with the Mahagadi. They declared. No problem. What about now what we are saying? Give me please 1 minute. You are correctly saying that these are all hypocrites. One thing. Second thing, there is intra-alliance rivalry only for power and money. There is politicization of the administration. तिजोरी मेरे पास है, उनके पास तिजोरी है लेकिन चाबी वाला हमारे पास है. Is this a friendly fight?
Disagree with this.
I don't think so.
Totally disagree with this.
It's not a friendly fight.
I have never said it is.
And the output is.
Ma'am, there is a breaking news update. Ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. There is a breaking news update. I did not know. I'm so sorry. We made a very big mistake, ladies and gentlemen. 15 minutes into the show, Shravan, we apologize for the mistake. I apologize to Vishwas Pathak. I apologize to Krishna Hegde. I apologize to Pankaj Sharma. I apologize to Dr. Asha Mirge. Apologies from our team. We labeled this fellow called Kishore Tiwari as Uddhav UBT leader. He is not UBT. Let's take him full frame. He's wearing a Congress कांग्रेस शॉल पहन के आया यहाँ पे, दिखाइए उसको, स्विच ऑफ द सुपर, he's wearing a Congress shawl. What a guy. आपने what are you saying? कांग्रेस का बाप रे, ये कब हुआ? Shravan, what is going on?
अरे मेरी बात तो सुनो।
उद्धव को आपने भी छोड़ दिया, आपने भी छोड़ दिया उद्धव को।
तिवारी जी कहा हमको नहीं पता।
ट्रू कलर
This is मुझे बोलने देना भैया।
Let me
भैया मुझे
complete
बोलने
myself.
देना।
कहा है उनको ही नहीं पता।
Let me complete myself.
अरे भैया मैं जो
Asha, okay, I'll let Asha ji complete her point. You'll still have to wait. Kishore Tiwari, because you lied on the show, you will have to wait.
Yeah.
It is self-proclaimed
So
spokesperson.
this is the output is what happened. The output is opposition is abolished. There is instability in every department, right from farmers till education till health, because no one is looking after that. Who is going where? Who is doing what? When should I pull my people, other people, alliance?
Dr. Asha Mirgi, now please tell me something. You are also, taking the high moral ground. Okay, you are taking the high moral ground. Your candidates are going and campaigning for Ajit Pawar. Why don't you make up your mind? You have only said that you are not part of the Mahavikas Aghadi. Very good, which essentially is an indication that at some point in time the MLAs with Sharad Pawar are going to move with Ajit Pawar. That's clear indication. Why don't you on national television admit the fact that you are not part of Mahavikas Aghadi and you are essentially planning to join Ajit Pawar?
No.
Why is
Till
it?
now,
Then why
there
is
is
it?
no
Why is it
decision.
that Ajit Pawar? Should I read out the places where your candidates are campaigning
No.
for
That
your
is true.
candidates are campaigning for Ajit
You don't
Pawar?
have to read it. You don't have to read it. I have marked it. But
You admit it. Don't you admit it that your candidates are your candidates are campaigning for Ajit Pawar?
Yeah.
And why?
Because I was about to that. Because this is local elections for local karyakartas. And unfortunately, due to now just you have said, there are leaders like Kishore Tiwari ji. And these local people, they don't believe the leader. They believe their output. And that's why they alliance with the groups where they are easy with. Or they can win. That's why this happened with the Eknath Shinde and UBT. That happened with the Ajit Pawar and NCPSP. And
Mr.
because
Pathak,
of the fact,
Mr. Pathak, nowhere in the country does this kind of politics really happen. That you have the opposition, the ruling party all coming together. They are saying that this is a local election, Nagar Panchayat election, to kya fark padta hai? Now the to kya fark padta hai is this. It does matter because at the end of the day, no one is going to really trust that you have any ideology to begin with.
Exactly.
You are basically willing to ally with anyone. Today, what is the difference between you and the Congress party? Because the reality is this, that the Congress today is going and joining hands with Eknath Shinde. Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar are already joining hands. Then you have Eknath Shinde going and campaigning for Uddhav Thackeray's party. What exactly are you trying to do, and what exactly is the message that you are trying to send, Mr. Pathak, to the whole country here? Because almost everyone in this panel is trying to campaign for each other.
I think you have to correct once again yourself. See, this is happening all across India whenever local body elections are there. Are you covering these political elections for the first time? Is it happening only in Maharashtra? It is always happening whenever local body elections are there. And these elections are happening almost after a decade. So there is only
Give me one example.
Each and every party is member.
Mr. Pathak, before you give me
party
lecture
member.
about where is it happening, you please kindly give me an example here. It is happening in the
Uttar Pradesh,
state of Maharashtra, having
Madhya
covered
Pradesh,
Maharashtra for a very long
all
time.
across.
The question that I'm asking you, that do you have the guts
It
to
is
say,
happening all
do you
across.
have the guts to say that Eknath Shinde is calling your party an arrogant party? Eknath Shinde's party is actually calling you Ravan Lanka Jala Denge.
No, he has not. He has not called. Eknath Shinde and
That's our
Devendra Fadnavis both are
interpretation.
related for each other. So don't go with half reports. This is your interpretation. Make your studies properly and then speak. Both the leaders have clarified for themselves. We are together. And we have also
Listen what the Manikau Kokate
Look, sir, I'll tell you what, one minute. Vishwas Pathak, it's nice to get angry over here, but today, just to break it to you, I don't know whether you've heard the soundbite of Eknath Shinde where he says, yes, we have attacked each other. This is part of local politics. You're telling me if any self-help, 1 minute, I know. Sir, please don't feel bad. Please don't feel bad, but I know politicians don't have much shame, okay? I know, they have to have a thick skin, that's what I meant, right? But for leaders to openly say, it's a local election, but even if it's a local election, how can you have a CM and a deputy CM calling each other names? That said, I'm keeping that aside because, the star of the show, Kishore Tiwari, has not even spoken. 1 minute, I'll come to you. Kishore Tiwari is the star of the show. Kishore Tiwari, ladies and gentlemen, I had to change the label. We introduced him as Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray leader. We made a mistake. We messed up. He's not Uddhav Sena leader. He's a Congress leader. Can you please confirm as of this minute whether Uddhav Thackeray has also joined the Congress party, Mr. Kishore Tiwari?
No, it was...
tomorrow we don't
has he joined?
Where he will be.
Oh, Adani agent, you be keep.
Mr. Tiwari,
before I make a personal allegation.
I'm asking you a question.
We don't know what
Vishwas, you don't speak.
I'm asking you a question.
What about tomorrow? What about tomorrow?
You are Gautam Adani agent.
Now you are claiming
Show the वो स्कार्फ दिखाइए थोड़ा स्कार्फ दिखाइए लोगों को यकीन नहीं हो रहा है दिखाइए वाह 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 oh my god I didn't see this day also.
Let me speak for 2 minutes. My brother was the national vice president of the BJP's legal cell, who has worked with Arun Jaitley, has resigned BJP, and here he is contesting my Pandarkoda municipality on a Congress seat, and I am doing the campaign for my brother. Today I am in the meeting, public meeting, because you are having a debate on Mahalut Yuti. How Eknath Shinde ji, how Devendra Fadnavis ji, how Ajit Pawar ji are unitedly looting in Mantralaya and fighting in small towns. This is very bad. We are intact. Maha Aghadi as such, we are intact. I am contesting for a Congress. I am campaigning for a Congress.
You are contesting or campaigning?
Are campaigning.
You are contesting, campaigning, or doing both?
No, I am campaigning for a UBT candidate also. But this
how
is
are you? I thought Congress is fighting alone.
He can do all together, all the things together at a time. He can do anything.
Oh no, I'm a master stroker, and I will
master
open Vishwas Pratak your own feed.
Sorry, what did you say? You are a what?
Master Joker.
Oh, this is something which is the unusual. One should not make me joker. Vishwas Patak, I know your credibility and integrity. You are a part and parcel of a Mahalut.
Sir, you are wearing 1 minute. Excuse me, Mr. Tiwari.
But I am
Mr. Tiwari, I am not going to fight for Vishwas Patak, but you should be the last person giving lectures to people. You, a spokesperson of Uddhav Sena, have worn a Congress flag. You've just changed your colors on live TV and you're giving lectures to others. You've taken away Pankaj Sharma's time because Pankaj Sharma के ऊपर pro Congress था. अभी पंकज शर्मा का नौकरी भी आप ले गए. हाँ? Pankaj Sharma, what's going on? Only seeing this kind of politics in Maharashtra. Only in Maharashtra.
देखो हमारी सरकार आने वाली है.
पंकज शर्मा
हमारी सरकार आने वाली है. तुम है ना हमारे खिलाफ मत बोलो.
We'll wait.
हमारी सरकार आएगी. श्रवण तुम तो बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो.
5 साल के बाद बात करेंगे आपका. 5 साल के बाद.
अरे नहीं, एकनाथ शिंदे लौट के वापस आ रहे हैं हमारे पास. आ रहे
टू बीजेपी.
जब ये सरकार बनेगा आप कौन से पार्टी में रहेंगे थोड़ा सोच लीजिए. जब तक पंकज शर्मा जी बात करेंगे. पंकज शर्मा.
See, I am not doing any naukri with Congress party or with any other party. Let me tell you, whatever is happening in Maharashtra in the name of local politics is really a very disgusting example of our political situation, our political values. If this is the situation, then everyone should think what is going on. See, in last 10-11 years, the political culture of this country, our country has been changed thoroughly. Now only winning the election is the motto. All the political ideology, political values, everything has no meaning. So to me, this is really disgraceful situation in Maharashtra in the name of local politics. That is it.
Krishna Hegde.
No, I beg to
just
differ,
simple thing. Your ally, the BJP says that this happens everywhere. This is local body polls. Do not take anything very seriously. In fact, you've had the Maharashtra Chief Minister saying that the heat of the moment, many end up saying a lot of things. But the reality is this. What do you really go and tell the people of Maharashtra? Because the Nagar Panchayat polls, which seems to be quite trivial for many, the reality is that a lot of work essentially has to be done there. On what basis are you going to the people of Maharashtra? Because technically it seems you've done a complete fixed match there.
No, absolutely not. Let me tell you, the people of Maharashtra have given Mahayuti an absolute mandate. We have got over 232 MLAs out of 288, and we are here to work for the people.
But whom are you criticizing? Those whom you are criticizing, you are aligned with them. Now, if you are saying the Mahavikas Aghadi has not done any work, but you are aligned with them.
Just complete what I have to say.
No, but Mr. Hegde, answer my specific question here. My specific question: whom do you really criticize in the elections? Because you are not, you have the Mahavikas Aghadi party actually campaigning for you.
Let me complete. The local body elections is a micro elections fought on local issues, and therefore all local issues will be brought forward by all the local leaders. When a top leader like Devendra ji or Eknath Shinde ji go, obviously they have to see that their candidate wins. However, the tally is going to be with the Mahayuti, and I have nowhere said that this is a friendly fight. This is a fierce fight.
Okay, so interesting. But the BJP says it's a friendly fight. You are saying it's a fierce fight.
Number 1, number 2, and number 3 are all going to be from Mahayuti. The UBT, the Congress, and the Sharad Pawar party have been finished in this election. They have been decimated, and therefore, if you go to see the combined strength of the Mahayuti,
so you decide, Krishna Hegde, on this panel itself.
We will celebrate today.
Ask Vishwas Pathak a short while back. He said it's a friendly fight. You are saying it's a fierce fight. Can we have just Vishwas Pathak and Krishna Hegde on there?
I don't think Vishwas ji has also said that
he said friendly fight.
He said
friendly fight. At least he said friendly fight.
He said these fights are on local issues, and therefore it is very important that the candidate who is there, he will try his best to win whatever alliance he does at the grassroots level.
Okay, so let me have this. Okay, let me. I want to wrap my hand around these arguments that you both are making here. I want to wrap my hands around these arguments that you all have made. Vishwas Pathak, you say that this is a friendly fight. Your ally says it's a fierce fight. It turns out some reports suggest that the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister were in the same hotel, but they did not speak to each other. What exactly is happening?
See, as I said, it's a friendly fight. The fact of the matter is that BJP is going to a highest number of seats, followed by Shiv Sena and Ajit Dada Pawar first, second or third. So for them, it is a fierce friendly fight. For us, it is a friendly fight. It will be backed by Mahayuti. There is no scope, no chance for Congress, for Sharad Pawar, or for UBT. That is going to happen tomorrow in this election.
Do you have any idea what the viewer watching you will be thinking right now?
Moreover,
serious friendly.
No. Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea?
Eknath Shinde ji reached the hotel early. Devendra Fadnavis ji reached late, and Devendra Fadnavis ji left early, and therefore they did not meet. But however, they are speaking to each other several times a day on the phone. So they are in total, all three leaders are in total coordination with each other.
But the thing about friendly fights is, I'll tell you what, Asha ji, the thing about friendly fights is, in friendly fights, you know what happens? Sorry. No. In extreme friendly fights, the phrase was extreme friendly fights. No, serious friendly fight. In serious friendly fight, before they go on stage, they drink truth serum. One shot truth serum. Truth serum पी के जाते हैं स्टेज पे. वहां पे एनसीपी अजीत दादा पवार के नेता ने ये बोला है, मानिकराव कोकाटे ये बोलते हैं बीजेपी हैज स्पेंट इट्स एंटायर लाइफ इन ब्रेकिंग पार्टीज एंड हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग। एक्सट्रीम फ्रेंडली फाइट में ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं। एक्सट्रीम, इसका एग्जैक्ट कोट था बीजेपी इज एक मिनट, मोस्ट ऑफ द फाइटिंग इज विद इन द अलायंस, opposition is not visible. My
that
fight
is the fact. That is the only real.
Yeah, that is what
That's the only real
exactly
picture that he's giving.
My basic question.
Number 3 are from Mahayuti. The rest
As
are
a representative of
No,
the
1 minute.
viewers.
So
They cannot give us the fight.
no, 1 second.
As a
No, 1 minute. He says BJP is divided. BJP has nothing on its own. Their life revolves around horse trading, making a difference here and there. Their old workers are sitting at home.
My basic
No, they are
question,
joining
as
Congress
a representative of the viewers,
They are joining
is
Congress
that
also.
if there is a
Their
friendly
workers
fight,
are joining
why their
Congress.
state president
They
just
are
2 days
selling
before
the
said,
party to
"Ki I have to
the
keep this
Daruwala and
till
the
2nd of
Kattawalas."
December."
They are
This
selling
hypocrisy
the party
comes
to
from what?
Daruwala and
Kishore Tiwari,
Kattawalas.
wait. Kishore Tiwari, hold on. It's really disgusting. Just hold on. Yeah.
I should be allowed to speak.
No, I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you. Asha ji.
My basic question from the viewers, as a representative of the viewers, is that if this is a friendly fight, why just 2 days before their state president said in front of the media that wait, I have to maintain it till 2nd of December. Wait, my friends, I have to maintain it till 2nd of December. What he is going to do on 2nd of
For
December?
half an hour you are talking about us. Why don't you
Why
talk about
Manikram
your
Kokati is saying
party?
like that?
There is nothing to talk
Why
about your
Eknath
party.
Shinde and
You are
Devendra
only
Fadnavis,
talking
they
about
don't
our
meet?
party. Asha ji, for
Why
half
Nilesh
an hour
Rani
you
is
are
going
only
to the
talking
BJP
about our alliance.
and showing
No,
the
my
money?
question on
Talk
behalf
about your
of viewers
alliance.
to the Congress,
What is going on?
that when you
This is
fought
not
with
a friendly
Shiv Sena
fight.
in Lok
It is
Sabha and
pushing
Vidhan
the
Sabha,
voters.
why are you not fighting with them now?
वोटर्स को व्यूअर्स को मूर्ख बनाने का प्रक्रिया है ये, बाकी कुछ नहीं है।
अभी व्यूअर्स की तरफ से मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ।
किसके साथ है वो तो बोलिए।
Please, वो गाली गलौज नहीं कर
On behalf of viewers, I want to ask you
They're
the
not
Congress.
abusing each other like you guys are.
आप किसके साथ है?
They are not
You
saying
could
friendly
fight-
fight, extreme friendly
You could
fight, fierce
fight
friendly
with
fight.
Congress.
No, Niranjan, she is not even talking about her alliance. She
Why
is not
should
even
she?
talking about her party.
Why should she?
She's talking
You
about our
are
alliance and our party.
खोटा बोला,
There is nothing
रेटून
to
बोला.
talk about their
You are
party.
telling false. I have said कि Congress is going alone in BMC election. I said it.
First think of your
Why should I
survival.
say about my
Congress
alliance?
party, first think of your survival.
We are not
Mr.
saying
Tiwari,
we are
Mrs.
in a
Mirge, first
friendly,
think of your survival.
fighting. No.
Don't think about us.
We are not lying. We are not lying.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
All the posts,
I am
positions
very
are
much
being backed by
agreed.
Mahayuti.
About
All
I
the
am
posts
very
are being
much
backed by Mahayuti.
convinced by
add
Pankaj
something.
sir
Let
that
me add a serious
in this
matter.
10 years, only money
Let
and
me add
power
something.
and anything for
Let
that,
me, Srinivasan, I want
ये
to add
चल रहा
something.
है.
Should I add something, Baba? Before you
लास्ट वर्ड दे
conclude?
दीजिए आप। आई मीन आपने इतना बड़ा धोखा दिया है उद्धव जी को।
किशोर तिवारी जी ने
उद्धव
आपको
जी,
कंफ्यूज कर दिया।
उद्धव
कौन से
जी,
पार्टी में आपको भी समझ में नहीं आ
उद्धव
रहा है।
ठाकरे
एक मिनट, मैं अभी बताता हूँ
आप
आपको।
ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, बोल दीजिए कांग्रेस।
अरे मेरे को बताओ, मैं बताता हूँ। बीजेपी ने मेरे ब्रदर जो उनके नेशनल एग्जीक्यूटिव और लीगल सेल के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट थे, उसको टिकट ना देते हुए पूरी बीजेपी एक दारू वाले को बेच दी। वो उन्होंने कांग्रेस लेके खड़े
अरे
रहे।
आपने पट्टा किसका पहना है बाबा?
अरे नहीं,
आपके
मेरे
पार्टी का
ब्रदर ने,
पट्टा क्यों नहीं पहना
अरे मेरा,
आपने?
मुझे बोलो, मेरे ब्रदर ने
आप
कांग्रेस
दोनों पहनना चाहिए ना, तीनों पहनना चाहिए आपके अलायंस का। आप खाली कांग्रेस का पहने हो। हमको
अरे
शक आ गया
यहाँ
आप
पर-
कांग्रेस में चले गए।
अरे भैया, यवतमाल जिले में हमने वनी में हमारा कैंडिडेट है, हम
Alliance
वहां
में तीनों
उनके घूम
पहनना चाहिए ना
रहे।
आपको।
यहाँ पे पंजा है, यवतमाल में पंजा है, तुम समझते क्यों नहीं? एक तो तुम है ना,
अरे तो उद्धव ठाकरे
पहले
जी के वोटर नहीं
पहले
चाहिए
आप
पंजा को।
पहले आप डिप्रेशन
उद्धव ठाकरे जी के
पहले आप
वोटर नहीं
डिप्रेशन
चाहिए
से निकलो।
पंजा को।
आपको एकनाथ शिंदे के लिए इतनी पैरवी करने के बाद भी आपको कुछ नहीं मिला, लेकिन विश्वास
अरे वो-
पाठक को
वो-
एमएसबी
वो-
के
वो
डायरेक्टर
एकनाथ
बन गए।
शिंदे जी देखिए,
वो गौतम
आप
अडानी का
उससे
काला
नहीं,
कोयला
मैं
बेचते हैं।
लास्टली I'll tell you, पंकज शर्मा साइलेंटली बैठे हुए हैं। I'll tell you what, I'll take his voice as a journalist. एक मिनट, पंकज शर्मा is Congress, he's part of the Congress, but I'll take his voice as a senior journalist, okay? But this is another level of, I've never seen this kind of politics and openly admitting to all of this. I think our takeaway is, at the end of the day, the voter is a fool, Pankaj. Every party, the party name changes, color changes, party flag changes. Voter is a fool.
Voter is not fool. Don't
Voter is
think
not
that
a fool. Voter is very
Voter is not a fool at all.
yeah. Voter is
He'll
very
teach all of
smart.
you a lesson, hopefully.
But
I don't know.
What do
That
you?
will happen.
What should Congress do? What should Congress do when everybody says Rahul Gandhi must do practical politics? Is he running an NGO or a political party? When Rahul Gandhi wants to protect the values in the political system, then again people criticize him. Now Congress in Maharashtra is going solo, is going alone because of obvious reasons. So everyone should appreciate this, and what other political parties are doing, if that is disgusting, that is disgraceful, then they should be condemned for this.
Yeah, but I only
What
hope
should
that
Congress do in
Kishore
a
Tiwari-
situation like this?
With Kishore Tiwari campaigning for you, all the very best. Thank you very
No,
much for
and
joining us on the
they
debate.
are not able to win the election, so everything
Thank
else
you.
is discussion.
Thank you for joining us on the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल्दी और जीरा सिप